Do you recollect the pensive and awful silence? When we were called up, one after another, to the table of the President of Congress to subscribe what was believed by many at that time to be our own death warrants.
One of the features of the American Revolution was the Americans were fighting the biggest world power in existence at that time.
It was an attempt to prove that human beings are not condemned to be governed by force and accident.
The story of America is a unique story. Something happened that can actually never happen again.
A number of the founders were marked men. These were the leaders of a rebellion.
They're putting at risk their lives, fortunes, and sacred honor. They would have all been hanged by the British.
It's not simply the matter of having the right law. You have to have the experience of liberty.
A republic, if you can keep it.
They had no other choice. This was life or death.
If we win freedom, it's always just one generation from extinction.